Do you want to know more interesting places in Kaohsiung that you won't want to miss?
打狗英语通，带您用英文畅游高雄，成为高雄在地通。
Daco English Classroom is on air.
Welcome to KBS English.
Hello, I'm Wen.
Hello, I'm Yolanda.
Shoushan National Natural Park is rich in natural and historical resources. 寿山国家自然公园的自然和历史资源很丰富。
What's more, because of the unique terrain, the environment hasn't been destroyed. 此外，因为独特的地形，让寿山有一个未被破坏的环境。
There's a zoo called Shoushan Zoo beside Shoushan National Park. We can spend a day visiting there. 寿山国家自然公园旁边还有一个寿山动物园，我们可以在寿山待一整天了。
How about going there tomorrow? 不如我们明天去吧。
你手机的桌布是哪里呀？好漂亮的地方哦！
这是寿山国家自然公园哦，它有很丰富的自然资源和历史的轨迹呢。
丰富的英文是 rɪtʃ, R-I-C-H, rich 形容词，除了富有的，加上 in 连用会变成一个片语 rich in 富于的。例如 Guavas are rich in vitamin C. 芭乐有丰富的维他命 C。
而且rich 也有指食物油腻或味浓的意思。例如 He always eats rich food. 他总是吃有腻的食物。因为寿山独特的石灰岩地形和珊瑚礁植被，还有珍贵的史前贝种遗迹，因长期军事管制，形成一座未被破坏的自然人文生态宝库。因为的英文是 because of, B-E-C-A-U-S-E-O-F, B-E-C-A-U-S-E-O-F, because of 介系词，后面要接名词，意思是因为。例如 Because of the rain, we stayed at home. 因为下雨，所以我们待在家。而 because 跟 because of 的差别在于 because 是连接词，后面要接完整句子。例句 Because it was raining, we stayed at home. 因为下雨，所以我们待在家。破坏的英文是 dɪ‌strɔɪ, D-E-S-T-R-O-Y, D-E-S-T-R-O-Y, dɪʻstrɔɪ 动词，破坏的意思。Destroy 可以指破坏实体的东西或抽象的。例如 What she said destroyed his last hope. 她说的话摧毁了他最后的希望。Destroy 的名词是 destruction, D-E-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N, D-E-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N, destruction 破坏的名词。The earthquake caused serious destruction to this village. 地震严重毁坏了这个村子。打狗英语通节目内容可以在高雄广播电台网站重温收听。打狗英语通，我们下次见。
本单元由高雄广播电台、国立高雄科技大学应用英语所合作直播，谢谢收听。
And don't miss out on our next lesson right here at Daco English Classroom. We'll see you then.